I'm Dax with DAXHAM Laser Solutions, and in this video I'm going to be demonstrating a couple things surrounding laser plastic welding. The first is that we're going to do some welding of two material samples, just a clear piece of material to a laser absorbing white piece of material, and then secondly, what looks black to the eye, so an opaque black laser transmissive material, to a laser absorbing white material. So we're going to be doing these two things, and the purpose of this video is to demonstrate a system I've developed that allows you to basically look at the plastics that you're welding as you're welding them, as one thing, and number two, it serves as a quick setup mechanism so that you don't have to use laser paper to align your contours and some of those other things. So what you're going to do is pay attention to the screen here on the right, and this is going to be the view that we have inside the machine. So the first piece we're going to work on here is the clear to laser absorbing white material. We're going to place that into the machine on this specially machined grid that I have made here on my lower fixture. So as you can see on the screen on the right, I'm moving this up to line up with roughly where the crosshairs are here. So kind of in the middle here. Now, it's not perfect, doesn't really matter for this test. And I want the laser to kind of hit right in here somewhere. Sorry about that. So I kind of want the laser to hit right in here somewhere. Okay? So I'm going to lower the clamping unit right now. And I want you to watch as it clamps down. You see the nice wetted surface here between the two materials. This is showing a good bond and good connection between these two pieces, which is critical for laser plastic welding in order for heat transfer to happen and that melting and mixing of the materials. And pay attention to the screen here on the right. You'll see the laser start here pretty soon. There you go. You can see it start to scan across. We're making multiple passes here. And if you notice, this kind of dark line in the center, that's where the two plastics actually bonded. I can tell looking at this, there's not much material that's come out of the sides here. So typically when you get a good material connection in a lap joint, this is basically where there's no sacrificial rib. This is just two pieces of plastics being joined together. You'll see a little bit of melt ooze coming out the sides, signifying that you're getting a good tight bond between these two pieces of material. So I'm going to run it again. I might slow it down a little bit, and I want to watch this little bit of material here coming out the edge, and run it again. You can see the laser's now moving a lot slower across the part, and you can see this area welded. With any luck, we won't get any smoke or burning of the material, but now you can see a little bit of the melt flash coming out the side, and what looks to me like a pretty good weld. So I'm going to release it, pull the sample out, and we'll give it a look. So as you can see, once it releases, you'll see the wetted surfaces kind of disappear, and we're left with a weld joint in here. Okay, that's a look with the infrared camera. This is a look with the normal camera, and it looks to me like these plastics are fairly good welded together. I wouldn't say it's perfect, but good enough for the purpose of the demo. Now, let's go ahead and try welding these two other pieces of material together. Again, the base material is the laser absorbing white. It's the same material as we welded before, and this time the laser transmissive material is an opaque black material. You can't see through it. It's basically black to the naked eye. So again, we're going to weld these two sample chips together. This is the laser absorbing side. This is the laser transparent side. Watch on this screen when I put these two materials into the machine. You see something really interesting. Again, this looks black to the naked eye. So we're going to set these two pieces of material in here like this. Now notice the black material, quote unquote, is coming through in the camera system. Looks completely clear. Interesting. Anyway, we'll line this up right about the same areas we did with the last one, roughly. Good enough for the test. For this test. There we go. Go ahead and clamp down again. Make sure we get pretty decent contact. It's not perfect over on this side, but I think that will work for the purpose of the demo here. And we're going to go ahead and weld with nearly the same parameters as we had before. But I think I'm going to bump the speed up a little bit because I don't want to burn this material. And here we go. You see the laser coming across again. And you can really see the back plastic kind of fluoresce a little bit. You can basically see where the weld has happened now. Again, it's a little bit light of a weld, so I'm going to hit it one more time, a little bit slower. And go for it again. Maybe we'll get some burning this time, who knows. No, again, looks like pretty good material coming out the sides here, signifying what I would say is a pretty good weld. Let's go ahead and take it out. Okay. Again, let's take a look under the camera. Take a look at the weld area. Looks pretty decent. Okay, from a couple angles. A bit of reflection there. Again, I'm going to go ahead and pull this out, and there you have it. Both materials joined together. Black IR transparent. Looking clear underneath the camera. Welded to a white absorbing material. So, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. There'll be more to come.